What's going on, guys? We are back today with another video, and today we are going to be working on making a motor mount for this. I got a piece of channel here. I got my seat mounts already drilled, so we're going to work on putting some bolts through this, but I think these should line up pretty nicely. I got to figure out how to put the bolts through here. We may end up drilling through the seat, but we'll figure that out here in a minute. And then I got to mark some holes for my bearings. So you can see we got some plates for the bearings. I'll go ahead and mark those. We'll drill these out, have these ready to go, and then we'll get the motor out the box and start making the mounting plate for that. So I got these cut out for the holes for the bearings. You can see that. But yeah, so that part's done. Now we're going to get the motor out. We're going to mark the mounting holes for this, and we will drill some holes for the motor. I think our mounting plate's going to be just fine. This piece of channel, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark the holes with a Sharpie, and then we'll drill them and we'll put some bolts in there and make sure it's going to stay. But this is the motor. Brand new right out the box. Guys, we finished drilling the holes for this. You can see all the holes line up, they fit. There's a little bit of play in here with their slots in these holes here. That way we can square it up once we get it on the cart. But all the holes are drilled. Now I'm just going to clean this piece up, and then we will start working on the seats. Alright guys, for the seat, what I did is I cut out some of this foam here, and then I went ahead and pushed my bolt up through the back side. That way, when I put my plate on, it should just mount right up, and then we can weld this to the actual frame, and we'll just bolt it on with the nut. So that's the goal for right now. Finally, I got this one on. We're going to go ahead and drill a hole actually in the seat itself. Probably carve some of the foam out, and then I'll mount my other plate here, and then this will be ready to weld onto the. There we go, y'all. We have got the mounting plates on here. All we'll have to do is weld them onto the tubing, and then we'll be done there. Alright guys, so we got all that done. I'm going to go ahead and grind these welds that we cut off here on this bike. Get rid of the sharp edges that we'll get here. And we'll grind this part off, make it nice and smooth. And then we should be ready for welding the frame up. Everything else should be ready to go. But I'll go ahead and lay it out afterwards just to make sure everything looks like it's going to line up. But stay tuned for that. Alright, it is coming together. I got the bearings on, sprockets on, where the motor's going to sit. I'm probably going to shorten the framework, probably about 6 inches here, just so it's not so long, because I can sit on it just like it is, pretty comfortable. Then get a couple more. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get 4-inch flat bar here instead of 2. That way I can weld it here, and this will stick over the end a little bit. But other than that, everything else is almost done. Then we're going to weld it again and put it together. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you would please like this video, please subscribe, and take care and have a great day.